All right, I guess it's on. Yes, it is. Fine. All right. So I have asked you, what do you mean by an NGO? Correct? Yes. So a lot of people are messaging me. It is an organization, non-governmental organization. Very good. They help the needy people. Okay. An organization that works for the betterment. A place where old people live, not necessarily, my dear. A trust company. Okay. To help those who don't have parents, fine. Narcotics Control Bureau, I wouldn't suggest. It is a separate organization. It is not in this NGO department, fine. Okay. So non-governmental organization is an organization which is independent from the government. It is non-governmental, as the name suggests. वो government के साथ नहीं होता. It works independently, and and it works for the betterment of people. Now the causes could be so many, right? It could be an orphanage, it could be an old age home, but it could also mean so many different things for the betterment of society on a whole. Correct? So it could be helping women and children to fight domestic violence, to help the rape survivors, the acid victims. All right, so a lot of areas they cover, right from uh, humans to animals, looking after animals also. uh, there are some NGOs that we could see, correct, providing food, a lot of them, right? So they take up the cause which is very dear to them. Like we say, visually impaired people ke liye there are the NGOs, correct? So if I have gone through a particular thing and I feel, no, this is of dire importance that I take care of such people in the society or such things in the society, so I can begin an NGO. Okay. All right. Now today we are going to see a story of one such NGO, and this NGO, the name of this NGO is Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra. Correct? It is Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra. What do you mean? Now, very simply, it says Sahyadri. Sahyadri ranges in Maharashtra. Nisarga is nature. Mitra means friend, right? So the friends of the mountain, the friends of the nature, the name suggests the friends of the nature, right? Now in the following text that we are going to see today, yes my dear, you guessed the name of the chapter correctly. It is 2.2, a true story of sea turtles. And in the following text, we hello. Okay, so we are going to throw some light upon the interactions of humans and animals, moreover all the natural resources. हम इंसान ये natural resources के साथ कैसे deal करते हैं, हमारा व्यवहार behavior कैसा होता है, and the impact of this human behavior on the species around us. All right, very clear with this? Let me share my screen very quickly. All right, so true story of sea turtles. Here there is an account which actually happened. All right, uh we are going to see this story of an incident that has actually happened, which will show us how we humans are and what are the impacts of such human behavior on the species, on the environment around us. Very clear with this? Let us see. I hope you can see my screen very well. We were okay. We were surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. Now, guys, what do you mean by we here? Who are the we? We matlab kaun? We, the NGO, the people of the NGO, correct? The volunteers of the NGO, very good. Volunteers are the people who take up the responsibility of helping that particular organization, correct? बेटा वी मतलब टोटल नहीं है, वी मतलब वॉलंटियर है, वो एनजीओ के मेंबर्स है, ठीक है? तो वी वर सर्विंग, ये से याद ही निसर्ग मित्र के जो हेल्पर्स थे, जो वॉलंटियर्स थे, दे वर सर्विंग. सर्विंग मीन्स इंस्पेक्टिंग, जांच कर रहे थे, द व्हाइट बेलीड सी ईगल्स इन द समर दैट ईयर. Okay, so they were inspecting, they were looking for the white bellied sea eagles, a particular kind of sea eagles in the summer that year. Bellied is stomach, stomach को belly बोलते हैं, तो एक particular species of sea eagle, correct? As we roamed the coasts, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. So as we were roaming, as we were wandering, इधर उधर घूम रहे थे, the coast पे ही थे, one of the volunteers, एक जो हमारा volunteer था, he saw some shallow pits. Okay, now shallow pits, what do you mean by shallow? Shallow means not very deep. Pit matlab khadda, pit is a hole. Okay, so not a very deep hole in the earth, in the surface of the earth, and around there were the white egg shells. Okay, उसके आजू बाजू क्या था, white color के egg shells थे. Now they did not know कि ये egg shell थे ना, तो वो shell किसके थे वो मालूम नहीं था, correct? Inquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. Now they went and inquired with the villagers. They asked, "Are ye shells hai, but kiske hai? We have never come across this thing. So can you please tell us?" वहां से villagers से उनको पता चला कि ये जो shells है, वो ये जो eggs थे, वो किसके थे? वो turtle eggs थे, correct? This came as a surprise. Okay, this was very surprising to them. Why was this surprising to them? Because since so many years, okay, just imagine, since 10 years I've always been going in the summer to find a particular this white bellied seagull, or I'm going for any purpose, but 10 years say constantly I'm going to this place, and for the first time I'm seeing such eggshells. Now this is surprising because iske pehle to kabhi bhi dikha hi nahi, correct? Okay, so we had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. In all these years, एक बार भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ था that we had come across the turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan. Konkan में कभी भी हम लोग को eggshells दिखे, turtle के eggshells तो दिखे ही नहीं थे. So we decided to study this unusual occurrence. What did we decide? Okay, we want to investigate this. This seems fishy. So let us try and know more about it. We learned that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month. All right, ये जो beach, a particular part of the beach they were in, ये जो part of the beach था, that had been sealed for the public. Sealed for the public. The public was not allowed in this area. Sealed. Okay, sealed matlab closed, completely closed. You cannot go into this area, correct? Okay, so ये particular area was sealed to the public for nearly 1 month after. क्यों किया था? हाँ, lockdown जैसा ही. Why did it happen? Because people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. What happened? क्या होता था वहां पे? Illegal smuggling होता था. Smuggling मतलब illegal trade. You can just write it down. Smuggling of silver brick. Silver brick मतलब बोलते हैं ना, वो gold biscuits आते हैं, silver biscuit आते हैं. तो silver जो है metal, उसका illegal trade होता था वहां पे, वो particular part of the beach पे. तो ये police and the government, what did they do? They sealed that particular part so nobody could go, and therefore the smuggling had to stop. देखो smuggling किसका था? Silver bricks का. Okay, so it very clearly means that because people were not entering that particular area, turtle eggs were found, करेक्ट. इफ पीपल वुड हैव बीन देयर व्हिच दे वर सिंस सो मेनी इयर्स, कभी भी हम लोग को टर्टल एग्स मिले नहीं थे. करेक्ट. बट व्हाट वी लर्नड फर्दर शॉक्ड अस टू द कोर. ठीक है, ये तो समझा. आगे जो हम लोग को पता चला, it shocked us to the core from our very deep inside, from the very base that we had. Okay, तो हम लोग को we were really really shocked from the bottom of our hearts. All right, moving on. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of the state. What do you mean? टर्टल्स नेस्ट अलोंग द एंटायर कोस्ट लाइन. हमारी जो महाराष्ट्र की जो पूरी कोस्ट लाइन है, आवर स्टेट हियर मींस महाराष्ट्र. करेक्ट. सो द एंटायर कोस्ट लाइन दैट वी हैव राइट फ्रॉम द अबव टू, ये जो पूरा कोंकण का पैच आता है, वो पूरा ये जो पूरा पैच है उधर टर्टल्स नेस्ट करते हैं. टर्टल नेस्ट करते हैं, बट आज तक हम लोग ने एक भी टर्टल एग, टर्टल शेल कुछ भी मिला नहीं है. There are a few people, now the reason is given here, there are few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning. Okay, कुछ लोग होते हैं विलेज में, हर एक विलेज में ऐसे थोड़े थोड़े लोग होते हैं who keep combing the village, looking for things of value. You can write it down. Combing the beach. Every morning they come to the beach and they look for articles of value. Anything which is valuable, somebody has dropped their particular thing, whatever. Correct. So they come searching, they comb the beach, they survey the beach very nicely, they look for things of value in that beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. अभी क्या होता है, when the female turtle, all right, when the female turtle comes on shore, all the turtles, they do live in water, but when they have to lay their eggs, they come on land, they come on the shore. And to nest and to lay eggs, वो nest करने और basically eggs lay करने वहां पे आते हैं. So you can see a picture which is given here. Okay, now these turtles, when they are walking on the sand or when they are crawling, to be specific, so when they're crawling, they leave a trail. Now what is a trail? A trail is a path or track. If we walk on sand barefoot, all right, तो हम लोग की footprints रह जाते हैं. वैसे ही if there is a vehicle, a wheel which is gone across, which has gone across the sand, तो उसके जो wheel के जो marks होते हैं वो track रह जाता है. Correct. वैसे ही when this turtle, it crawls along the entire coastline, the seashore, it leaves a trail like thing. And what these people, these hunters do, correct, they follow that trail. They simply have to follow that trail. Okay, my dear, I repeat, combing means to look for articles of value. Combing means to look for articles of value. Yes, combing, it can mean searching in simple words. All right, fine. So the egg hunters, they follow this trail right up to the nest. So it becomes really easy to locate the turtles, and उनके जो egg होते हैं वो ढूंढना बहुत ही आसान हो जाता है, क्योंकि एग हंटर्स जो होते हैं उनके लिए एक ट्रेल, उनके सामने ही एक पाथ बना होता है, और ये पर्टिकुलर पाथ अगर फॉलो करेंगे तो दे आर वेरी डेफिनेट दैट दे विल रीच द एग नेस्ट ओनली. करेक्ट. Now the egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. This nest is about a half a meter deep. वो कितना height में, depth में कितना होता है? Half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. All right, listen to this very properly. There are 100 to 150 eggs which are laid inside, and what do they do? These eggs are either then eaten or are sold in the market. ओके या तो वो खा जाते हैं या मार्केट में बेचते हैं, मार डालते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं. करेक्ट? जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड. Okay, so yes, Aishwarya, they search in the morning so that it is very easy for them to find it. Honey from Devi Dayal, my dear, can you please elaborate on how this SAMI is disturbing you? Okay, Kaushiki from Takshila, my dear, this place was still. तब की बात नहीं करें, उसके पहले क्या हुआ? See, the last line of the first paragraph, they said कि आगे हम लोग को जो भी पता चला वो बहुत ही शॉकिंग था. तो उनको क्या पता चला वो आया है. ठीक है, give me a second, I'll just remove this Sami. I'm so sorry for the disturbance. I'm sorry, Sami from Vikhroli, I have to remove you. All right. Okay. Yeah. Fine, we can continue now. Correct? Yeah. चलो, तो ये जो पैराग्राफ है जो हम अभी देख रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दैट इट इज एन एंटायर अकाउंट और इट इज ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट दे गैदर. ये जो वॉलंटियर्स हैं इनको इतना सारी चीजें पता चली. You know, how did it initiate? How did it start when only they found the eggshells nearby? White color के eggshells मिले and then the entire investigation started where they found out कि अच्छा ऐसा होता है. 100-150 एग्स ले करते हैं, ये जो हंटर्स आते हैं वो सारे एग्स ले जाते हैं, मार डालते हैं, खा जाते हैं, whatever. All right, silver bricks, my dear, whenever I'm explaining, try to be attentive. I have explained silver bricks are basically silver biscuits जो होते हैं. Silver is a valuable, useful, क्या बोलते हैं, metal होता है, and it is sort of expensive. तो ये smuggling होता है इसका. Trail means a path. Trail means a path. All right, now moving on. Yeah, these eggs are either eaten or are sold in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. Just imagine such a heinous crime they are doing. All right, अगर एक turtle को देखा कि it is laying eggs, okay, the process of laying eggs मतलब उनके female turtle की body में से अभी eggs निकल रहे हैं. So while that process is going on, they wait for that to happen, okay, wait for the process to end, and as soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. Even the turtle, right, even the turtle is caught and it is killed and it is eaten. Forget about the eggs. But वो अगर process में है, ये female turtle अगर एक process में है while laying the eggs, it is after that process eaten, just killed and eaten. Okay, this ruthless practice, cruel. Ruthless means cruel. This cruel practice is observed in all parts of the world, and when they found this information, they were deeply shocked. Okay, however, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Correct? देखो, it happens in all the parts of the world, that's correct, but in India it is different because these sea turtles have been given protection under the Wildlife Protection Act. Wildlife Protection Act in 1972, ये जो act बना था, government का act जो होता है, okay, it is a law that you cannot kill or eat or sell this turtle or turtle eggs. All right, fine. So in India this was not allowed. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. Tigers को जितना protection मिला है उतना ही protection turtles को मिला है. And even though we can see a huge discrepancy, okay, huge difference between the protection of the both. There was a time when I was in school and the tigers were in like few numbers, in some hundreds or thousands mein tha, and then the entire Bollywood and cricket industry, I remember they made this campaigns and they put up the posters saying that please don't hunt, please don't kill the tigers. All right, but have we ever seen this happening for any turtles? Okay, any of your friends or you guys or yourself having a turtle at your place? All right, it is illegal, my dear. I understand you must have some sentimental value attached to this or any of your friend, okay? But I'm telling, according to the law, it is banned. You just cannot have, right? It is illegal. Fine. So even if you have any thoughts in the future about the same, please do consider that having turtles at your place as your pet is illegal. All right, if you have, I don't know, exactly what to do, but try not to buy it again in the future. I'll tell you why. No, my dear, tortoise means the same, na? Turtle, tortoise, nothing is allowed, right? My dear, in the chapter, that is what we have to understand. Why should we not keep a turtle at our place? Let us read, and then I feel if I've done justice to this chapter, you would understand what I'm trying to tell you. ठीक है? अभी पढ़ते हैं आगे. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles, okay? ये जो पूरा business है of gathering the turtle eggs, then selling them, then killing them, and killing the turtles is carried on in a secret hush manner. It is a very secretive hush is बहुत चुपके से, okay, in a very secretive confidential manner. Confidential, very चुपके से ये सब करते हैं. This information was distressing. ये information जो थी वो बहुत ही distressing, वो बहुत ही stressful थी. Okay, upsetting. Distressing means upsetting. This entire information was very upsetting. We began to think seriously about it. We, as an entire organization, we began to think about this very seriously. हम लोग ने सोचा that something serious needs to be done about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. तो उन्होंने, as an organization, the Sayadri Nisarga Mitra, they decided that what do we need to do? We need to undertake a project. और ये project में हम क्या करेंगे? We will protect and conserve the turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. Okay. Conservation is giving protection and also seeing to it that this is sustainable. Okay, hush manner, as I had said, in a very quiet, secretive manner. Right, moving on. We had no experience. Okay, my dear Krutika from Ghatkopar, that's great if you have seen a turtle laying its egg. This story is not about the south of India, my dear. I hope you're reading this well. We are talking about Maharashtra, our state, and especially the Konkan region. All right? Okay. We had no experience regarding sea turtles. So first of all, we undertook a study of turtles. Now, in the following paragraph, they have given us the steps by which they decided, okay, um so sorry, yeah, so the steps that they took, okay, to to make this project successful and just to initiate this project. सबसे पहले उनको कोई idea ही नहीं था about the sea turtles, that never supported them, they have never done anything for them. So सबसे पहले they took a study of turtles, they undertook a study of turtles, they tried to find, they tried to look them up on Google और ये सब उनके बारे में जानने का try किया. After that they started contacting institutes that work for the protection of turtles. अभी जो actually वो काम कर रहा है उनसे हम पूछते हैं, उनसे contact करते हैं, उनको पूछते हैं कि we want to start this, how can we do so, correct? So they started this entire thing. After that, after every research that they could do, they finally started, okay, they finally arranged this turtle protection campaign at Velas, in at this place called Velas. All right, let us read this. Just a second. We had no experience regarding sea turtles, so first of all, we undertook a study of turtles. Okay, the second step here was we contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India. इंडिया में ही जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं उनको कांटेक्ट किया. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वाज लॉन्चिंग अ टर्टल प्रोटेक्शन कैंपेन एट वेलास, तालुका मंडनगढ़, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी. रत्नागिरी में मंडनगढ़ नाम का एक तालुका था, उसमें एक विलेज था वेलास, ठीक है. और ये वेलास में उन्होंने ये कैंपेन लॉन्च किया. Now this was done with the support and cooperation of the forest department, right? Now the forest department, they supported and cooperated with them, so they helped in gathering people for the same. All right, my dear, I would suggest that please do not message me right now. Okay, it's quite disturbing. आपको जो भी doubts है, let us read this entire paragraph and then you can simply ask me. There is no problem there. Let us first read and try to understand this. I can receive everyone's messages, but just not right now. All right. As a part of the campaign, a few local people were specifically appointed to look for turtle nest on beach in the morning. So ये part of the campaign, what did they do? कैंपेन का पॉइंट था, सबसे पहले तो ऑब्वियसली दे वुड हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, बोला होगा कि क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड एज अ प्रैक्टिकल टास्क, एज अ प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट उनको क्या बोला गया, 2-4 लोकल पीपल जो थे उनको बुलाया गया और उनको बोला कि गाइज यू आर गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ द टर्टल नेस्ट, यू गाइज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट हैपेंस टू दिस टर्टल नेस्ट ऑन द बीच इन द मॉर्निंग. सो उनकी जैसे ड्यूटी होती है कि 7 बजे इधर आ जाने का है, वैसे ही उनको एक ड्यूटी दी गई थी. when they came across a nest, और उनका टास्क क्या था, करेक्ट? so whenever these people they come across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest. बहुत संभाल के ये जो एग्स होते हैं उनको अपने हाथों से लेके ये नेस्ट में से निकालना था, and bury them again in a similar pit, but one with which was protected with wire fencing. Similar एक दूसरा जो खड्डा होता है उसमें वापस वो डाल देने का बहुत संभाल के, but ये जो दूसरा होगा उसमें एक wire fencing होगी. Okay, it was covered and protected with wire fencing. I can give you a simple example. जैसे borders पे होता है तो वायर का फेंसिंग होता है, so that nobody could go inside, correct? They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent theft. और ये भी wire protected जो भी था उसको भी अपन को क्या करना था, you had to watch it over, you had to guard them so that the protected nest जो है उसमें कोई चोरी ना हो सके. थेफ्ट मीन्स चोरी, तो कोई भी चोरी, कोई भी रॉबरी अवॉइड करने के लिए you had to take care of that nest. In the first year, we could successfully protect 50 nests in this manner. ये माना में 50 नेस्ट, ओके, 50 पिट्स जो थे वो बचा सके. एंड हर एक में अगर आप सोच लो कि 100 to 150 एग्स, सो डू द कैलकुलेशन, दे प्रोटेक्टेड सो मेनी एग्स इन द फर्स्ट ईयर इटसेल्फ, राइट. हम लोग ने पहले ही देखा था एक नेस्ट में देयर आर अबाउट 100 to 150 egg shells, correct? All right. When the babies hatched out of the eggs, and finally, okay, these eggs से जब भी baby hatch हुआ, you know, hatches when the baby comes out of the egg. Any animal, any species that comes out of the egg, उसको hatch बोलते हैं, correct? Out of what an event that was! The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle. All right, so just imagine there are these pits on the shore and there is this water, okay, boundless ocean है, और ये जो turtles है वो अपने ये जो shell है, अपना जो egg shell है वो तोड़ के, okay, उसमें से बाहर निकल के भाग के ये जो सी है उसमें जा रहा है. So what a spectacle, what a beautiful scene it was. Spectacle is a very beautiful scene. When the tiny turtle hatchlings, right, hatchlings, a young animal which is recently emerged from its egg, उसको hatchling बोलते हैं. कोई भी छोटा animal, young animal जो अभी अभी अपने egg से बाहर निकला है उसको hatchling बोलते हैं. So when the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea, what an ovation they received from the onlookers. Onlookers are the spectators, okay, जो देखने आए थे. सारे villagers जो थे वो सारे जमा हो गए थे कि अरे बाबा ये turtles निकल रहे हैं अपने egg में से, तो वो देखने का. And when they saw this beautiful scene, okay, in front of their eyes, they could not stop themselves from giving an ovation. Ovation is a standing ovation, matlab applause. They all started clapping, rejoicing. So that is an ovation. All right. Boundless means endless. Boundless means endless. All right. Ovation is rejoicing. Yes, these were the people who were stealing it since years and years. All right. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen in the bracket and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was for the first time that they had seen the hatchlings rushing to the sea. इतने साल से, ठीक है, इतने साल से, जब से वो छोटे थे, अभी तो बहुत एल्डरली है, 60-70 इयर्स, जब से वो स्कूल में जाते थे तब से उन्होंने ये देखा है, ओके, एंड स्टील भी किया है, बिकॉज यही उधर रहते थे, यही विलेज में रहते थे, तो स्टील भी किया है. बट पहली बार ऐसा हुआ खुद की लाइफ में कि वो हैचलिंग को, यू नो, सॉरी, एग को हैच करते हुए देख रहे थे और हैचलिंग को सी में जाते हुए देख रहे थे. Very clear with this? Do you have any doubts in this paragraph? Yes, my dear, they were double-edged people, but let us give them the benefit of doubt that they were some uneducated people who did not know the importance of saving it. Am I correct? उनको नहीं पता था. Let us see what happens next. All right. Okay, turtle nest was obviously not our normal nest. वो एक shallow pit था, उसको turtle nest बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Moving on. Now the entire next paragraph that you can see is an information about the turtles that are there. Okay, it is a very factual information. Let us start reading it. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world. कितने species of sea turtles है? We have 7 types of sea turtles in the world, 5 of which are found in India. The olive ridley turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. So अभी जिसका हैचलिंग पड़ा, अभी जिसका ये जो चोरी कर रहे थे, जो खा रहे थे, वो कौन सा स्पीशीज था? इट वाज ऑलिव रिडली. All right, because they nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Okay, green turtles and hawksbills have also been found. So green turtles and hawksbills are the other two species of the sea turtles. An amazing characteristic of turtles is that when the female reaches when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearly a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. Now, can you tell me, biological perspective, what do you mean by maturity? Okay, normal terms, समझदारी बोलते हैं, maturity समझ आ गई ये portion में. But what do you mean by maturity in terms of, from the perspective of biology? Yes, it means they can breed, they can reproduce. It's not growing big. Whenever they are able to give birth, all right, whenever they are able to give birth, puberty जिसको बोलते हैं, breeding age जिसको बोलते हैं, they can lay eggs, whatever, तो इसको बोलते हैं maturity. Now stop writing and listen to me very properly. एक फीमेल टर्टल 15 इयर्स के बाद, 15 इयर्स की हो जाती है ये फीमेल टर्टल, उसके बाद शी हैज मच्योर्ड, ऐसा बोलते हैं. ओके, मच्योर्ड. आफ्टर दैट शी कैन ले एग्स आफ्टर द गैप ऑफ 15 इयर्स. ऑलराइट, तो 15 इयर्स के बाद दिस फीमेल टर्टल कैन ले एग्स, कैन रिप्रोड्यूस. ऑलराइट, एंड द मोस्ट अमेजिंग फीचर, okay, amazing characteristic of this female turtle is that वो 15 years तो वो सी में ही रहती है, but after that when she wants to lay eggs, she will come at the same place where she was born to lay eggs. वो जिस जगह पे born हुई थी, वो same जगह पे अपने turtles अपने eggs lay करने आएगी. ठीक है, very clear with this, which is almost after 15 years of age. Now the female comes on the shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs. और वो क्यों आएगी, कितनी देर के लिए आएगी? It will only come, it will make a nest. Make a nest is basically dig in the sand, okay, and she will make a shallow pit of about half a meter deep. ये half meter deep का एक hole बनाने के बाद it will lay her eggs and immediately return to the sea. वो तुरंत ही sea में चली जाती है. Now look at the behavior of this female turtle and look at the behavior of a female human being. Okay, वो अपने बच्चे को जन्म देने के बाद कितने साल, in fact, okay, our mothers are still taking care of us, including mine. My mother, even my mother takes care of me, even when I've, matured, sort of. Correct? Now, a lot of species जो होते हैं, animal species, उनके behaviors काफी अलग होते हैं human species से. They don't take care or they don't nurture their offsprings as much as humans do. Correct? हम लोग तो बहुत ही ज्यादा करते हैं in fact, but जो भी especially birds होते हैं, तो when a mother bird sort of teaches the younger offsprings how to fly, the responsibility is done there. Right after they are out in the open doing their thing. Now आप खुद का खाना ढूंढो, आप खुद की देखभाल करो. You protect yourself from all the predators and all the problems that you are going to face out in the world. Very clear with this? Okay, so ये female turtle आती है, ये सारे it comes, it makes this nest and it lays her eggs. After that she immediately returns to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. All right, वो अपने नेस्ट पे उसके बाद आती ही नहीं है. Her job is done. She leaves after that. Now these eggs, they hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days. Almost 45 to 50 days लग जाते हैं. Okay, using natural heat, like we have seen so many birds, especially pigeons, they they stay on the egg to warm the eggs. तो ये तो क्या होता है, because it is inside the earth's surface, तो it uses the natural heat and these eggs they hatch after the period of 45 to 50 days. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. They're very tiny. If you have seen them, they're very very tiny. और इन सबको खुद को इतने, एक तो इतने छोटे हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है उनको. ये जो बड़े जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, बड़े जो क्रिएचर्स होते हैं सी में, वो खा जाते हैं इनको, कुछ भी हो सकता है लिटरली. एंड we forgot here one very important thing. हम लोग तो ये सी में उनको पहुंचने ही नहीं देते, हम तो एग्स ही खा जाते हैं. करेक्ट? So it is so unfair to them. Am I correct? Yes, somebody said that they'll fit in the palm of our hand. Correct. They have so little, tiny. Correct? Yeah. So innumerable dangers await them, wait for them in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. Now their survival rate is therefore as low as 1 to 2 turtles per 1,000 turtles. Okay, wait, let me tell you something very important. Okay, you must have observed, बराबर से सुनना ये, you must have observed that dogs, they give birth to multiple puppies at a time. Humans, in contrast to this, they usually give birth to a single child at a time. Correct? Now, obviously there are twins, there are triplets, quadruplets, whatever. That are very rare case scenarios. Mostly, let us consider एक ही single child. Now, can you tell me why is that so? Why is this difference? Why do dogs or any such animal like that, why can they produce multiple babies at a time? Can somebody tell me the reason? Mammals, okay, because of their nature, because they have a big stomach. Okay, my god. Okay, characteristic of the female ovary, because they do not give eggs. Dogs and humans both are mammals, because of the size of the baby is small. Okay, because it does not lay eggs. हाँ, दोनों mammals है, वो मैंने ही बोला. They have eggs and eggs are small. Okay. See, I don't know much about science and everything, but just this is my theory. आप सुन लो अगर आपको ठीक लगे तो. Okay, just listen to me. Do not type, please. Okay, if you have observed this, let us say 7 to 8 puppies which are in your area. Okay, this dog has just given birth to 7 to 8 puppies at a time. All right, and evolution perspective से देखते हैं कि क्यों ऐसा हुआ. Evolution perspective से क्यों dogs की जो species है वो एक ही time पे 7 to 8 puppies bear कर सकते हैं, and humans का भी अगर ऑब्जर्व करें तो पहले 7 to 8 बच्चे होते थे लोगों के. आपके दादा दादी के जमाने में या उसके पहले, वो जमाने में there used to be 5, 6, 7, 8 kids at a time. Not at a time, but in their lifespan. Okay, right now एक बहुत हो गया, दो तो अरे बाबा, it's more than enough for us, right? And the most they do 3, not more than that. Now what's the reason behind it? Right now जो सर्वाइवल रेट होता है, अगर आप ये जो पपीज को देखोगे, हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम रीच द एज ऑफ मैच्योरिटी. कितने आपको फुल ग्रोन डॉग्स में दिखेंगे? कोई ये टायर के नीचे आ जाएगा, सम दे फॉल इल, सम कोई फाइटिंग में किसी का कान टूट जाता है. तो ये जो पॉपुलेशन है ना, दे डोंट लिव मच. पॉपुलेशन उनका कम हो जाता है बिकॉज दे डाई वेरी इजीली. Am I correct or not? Hardly you will see 1 or 2 out of the 7 to 8 they reach the age of maturity. They become full grown dogs. Others जो ये जो stray dogs होते हैं वो maturity के age पे पहुंचते ही नहीं है. And when it comes to humans, पहले 7-8 बच्चे इसके लिए होते थे because one, the cost of living was less. Second, the medicinal technology advancement was not so much. Correct. And therefore people could easily lose their lives. Death rate ज्यादा थी, death rate अभी कम है. The cost of living is correct. The cost of living is quite high now, so people don't opt. And right now, if anything that happens to my child, most of the times it is treatable. Am I correct or not? So these were the reasons. Now just imagine, coming to the perspective of this turtle, ये जो turtle है उसका survival rate 1000, just 1000 turtles में से एक या दो turtles जिंदा रहेंगे after 15 years. Do you understand how serious this is? Out of 1,000 turtles, only 1 or 2 of them, they survive and reach the age of maturity, that is almost 15 years. Very clear with this? Now turtles perform an important function, and this important function is that they keep the sea clean. वो sea को एकदम clean रखते हैं. They eat away all the weeds that are there, the unwanted plants that are there in the sea. Correct? Thus they occupy an important place in marine ecology, because ये जो sea clean रखने का responsibility उन पे है, ये weeds खा जाते हैं, that increases the rate of oxygen in the water. Water जितना clean होता है उतना ही oxygen ज्यादा उसमें हो सकता है, rate उसमें बढ़ता है. Correct? Now, considering all these factors, it is vital. Vital means it is important to undertake their protection on a large scale. Because if turtles, they don't survive, plants कौन खाएगा, weeds कौन खाएगा, unwanted जो भी चीजें हैं, सी को कौन क्लीन रखेगा? और अगर उनको क्लीन नहीं रखा, सी को क्लीन नहीं रखा, तो how will other animals, other creatures in the sea be able to breathe? Correct? Very clear with this? Okay. सबसे पहले, yes, if it is important to save the turtle, just a second, okay, turtles, I don't think they eat plastic. They don't eat plastic as much as I know, but if you're telling, I can just they do. All right. So as I told you, I'll just search upon that and let you know in the next lecture. But as I told you, okay, yes ma'am, yes my dear, turtles do live a very long life, but then that is another story. What I'm telling is, अगर 1000 में से 1-2 ही बचने वाले हैं, तो do you think in perspective of the environment, is it okay? Is it okay to keep them at our place? I feel it is very selfish. All right. Okay. So I guess we complete the lecture here for now. Do you have any doubts? Okay. Turtle हम लोग को कैसे बेनिफिट करते हैं बेटा? वो सी को क्लीन रखते हैं. सी को क्लीन रखेंगे तो उधर के फिशेस जो है या उधर का जो भी है, it will thrive well. Marine ecology will thrive well. Now if it stays well, तो उसमें से जो हम लोग को resources मिलते हैं वो भी इतने अच्छे होंगे. Correct? So that is the reason. No doubts. Thank you very much. We will end our lecture here. Okay. And the next time we will begin from here. I hope you take care of yourself. Stay safe. And the next time we will complete this chapter. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care and stay safe.